Oh, good morning guys. So, tambay muna tayo dito kasi ang timing namin 8 o'clock. Napaga ako ng isang oras gawa ng Ramadan timing. Ramadan timing is 8 to 2 at 9 to 3. So, binabati ko po yung ating mga kapatid na Muslim diyan. Ramadan Kareem. Sana'y maging successful tong Ramadan para sa inyo guys. So pag unahin natin ang safety naman during Ramadan. Okay, during Ramadan, so all we know, nagpa-fasting lahat ng mga kaibigan nating Muslim at kapatid. So para sa inyo guys, kaibigan kong Muslim, make sure you have plenty of sleep para hindi kayo exhausted. Have a good food before your fasting time, and drink plenty of water during the night. Okay guys, so wala na po akong ibang masabi, but just take care, especially in the road if you are driving. So yes guys, yun lang ang maipapayo ko sa mga Ramadan, yung mga kapatid nating Muslim. Maraming salamat po and have a safe day and Ramadan Kareem.